Righto, while I'm out here, I may as well talk about the Nelson-Rigg Adventure Slim tank bag that I've just bought. So obviously this isn't on Rosie the Rally, which is my normal bike. This is a Kawasaki KLR650. If you want to read the full story, you can check it out in I believe it's the next Kiwi Rider magazine. So, the Rigg Gear Adventure Slim tank bag. I got this for a couple of reasons. One is I don't particularly enjoy having a backpack on while I'm riding, particularly adventure stuff. It doesn't really do it for me. I don't like the idea of something added on my back to potentially fall on. So yeah, and the second reason I got this is because my preferred option, which is the Givi, can't remember which it is, I think it might be the 716 tank bag, out of stock basically around the world. Can't get it, unobtanium, and I wasn't going to wait for whenever they next showed up in New Zealand. So I bought this because it's got straps and it's a small size, even though it looks quite large on the KLR's 23 litre tank. So far, pretty much exactly what I expected. A couple of side pockets there for, I don't know, lollies and snacks. One there, one the other side. Got main pocket with a map pocket, which has a charging hole there if you want to put your phone up there for navigation. I bought this primarily to lug my DSLR around, which now turns out is obsolete. Comes with a expanding waterproof cover, and the belt's mine. So yeah, decent amount of space in there. I believe it's 6 or 8 litres or so. But if it's not enough space for you, undo a zip and she pops up and she is even larger, which is quite handy. So this fits on the Rally beautifully, fits well on this. It's one of the reasons I went for the strap-on design. I didn't want a magnetic tank bag, which is basically all you can get in New Zealand right now, unless you want to spend, what is it, $400 or so on a giant loop tank bag. So yeah, the Nelson-Rigg. Pretty happy with this. I got it from mxstore.com.au because I don't know if there's actually a New Zealand distributor for it. But I'm pretty happy with it. Delivery was pretty straightforward despite global delays in shipping. Straps on, nice and easy. Carry bag. To get at your fuel tank or whatever, just undo a couple of the clips. Boom. Easy. So I thought I would just quickly show that and show what I've been riding around on. Full review, first impressions, all that coming very soon to the channel. But I have to wait until the story's out in Kiwi Rider before I can give my full details on it, my full thoughts. So stick around for that. If not, check out www.kiwirider.co.nz, New Zealand's oldest motorcycle magazine, longest running, and yeah, they're good guys over there. It's a privilege to work with Kiwi Rider. So check out the KLR test there. Stick around, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.